The sound of the heart. Lub-dub, lub-dub. I wonder what is that sound? Lub-dub, lub-dub. I crouched down to listen better. Lub-dub, lub-dub. I put my hand on my chest. Something is thrumping inside my chest, making the sound lub-dub, lub-dub. Oh, the sound that I am hearing is the sound of my own heartbeat. The heart beats to transform blood and oxygen to every corner of the body. That's why the whole body can carry it out its function. There are tubes that connect to different parts of the body. These tubes open and close, allowing blood to flow in and out. That's how the lub-dub sound is made. Do you know that the heart never stops beating? Even when you are sleeping, eating, or playing, the heart even beats when you aren't paying attention. The heart only stops beating when people die. The heart works best when you are healthy and happy.